Contractor Plus has helped me find this lead right here. It's a beautiful house right behind me. There's multiple jobs going on in this building. Let's go on and take a look on inside. When I ran into these guys from the beginning, I thought they were just going to be like a home advisor, Angie's List, or some other marketing tools out there. But when it came down to it in the beginning, they were being very, very clear on how everything worked out. They were straightforward, they're honest, and honestly, overall, everything, it's very, very easy to work with these guys. Even their app is super easy. They have invoices that you can make on there. You can upload pictures. I mean, it's awesome. It's great. It's beautiful. As a small company, I only had maybe a couple $100 in my pocket left. Literally, these guys know it too. And I had run into so many, like I was saying before, I was running into so many falls, and I was just getting the runaround from other companies. And my only choice was to market, at least even if I got one lead to get me somewhere, to make a couple $100 more. Well, I invested that money, and then next thing you know, I was getting 8 leads per day, literally. And now I'm so busy with work that I cannot actually keep up with it. I actually had to pause the leads because I don't have enough men on the crew to be able to help me out in different sections of the business. So thank you guys over at Contractor Plus for helping me out, grow my business. I'm always, like I always tell everybody on the team, I'm a lifer with you guys. I'm always going to continue working with you guys. And thank you guys so much for everything, for what you guys do. And these guys, man, these guys are awesome. They help you build a website. They thank you guys for helping me make my shirt too. Thank you for everything. Thank you.